Hello everyone, I am Pushpendra Kumar Kurre, Assistant Professor, Sriratpura Sarkar University. Today's topic is plastic material used in pharmaceutical packaging. Introduction. A plastic materials according to the British Standard Institute, plastic represents a wide range of solid composites materials which are largely organic, usually based upon synthetic resins or upon modified polymer of natural origin and processing appreciable mechanical strength at a suitable stage in their manufacturing. Most plastics can be cast, molded or polymerized directly into shape. Types of plastic materials. First, thermoplastic type, thermosetting types. Thermoplastic types. On heating, they are softened to viscous fluid with hardness. Again, on cooling, resistance to breakage and cheap to produce, and provided the right plastics are chosen will provide the necessary protections of the product in the attractive containers. Examples: polyethylene, PVC, polystyrene, पॉलीप्रोपाइलिन, पॉलीएमाइड्स. सेकेंड टाइप है आपका थर्मोसेटिंग टाइप. व्हेन हीटेड दे मे बिकम फ्लेक्सिबल बट दे डू नॉट बिकम लिक्विड ड्यूरिंग हीटिंग. सच मटेरियल फ्रॉम परमानेंट क्रॉस लिंक्स बिटवीन द linear chains resulting is solidification and loss of plastic film. Examples: phenol, formaldehyde, urea, formaldehyde, melamine formaldehydes. Advantages of plastic materials: low cost, light in weight, durable, pleasant to touch, flexible, facilitating product dispensing, odorless and inner to most chemical, unbreakable, leak proof, able to retain their shape throughout their use. They have a quick suck back features which prevent product dose. Easy to transport, they are proof conductors to heat, they are resistant to inorganic chemicals, they have good protection power. These are the advantages of plastic materials. And second, disadvantages of plastic material. Plastic appear to have certain disadvantages like interaction, absorption, lightness and hence poor physical stability. All are permeable to same degree to moisture, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. And the most exhibit electrostatic attractions, allow permeation of light rays unless pigmented black. Other negative features include stress cracking, penline, cavitations, cragging, poor key of print. फर्स्ट देखते हैं आप पॉलीइथाइलिन जो प्लास्टिक मटेरियल के लिए यूज़ होता है. उनके फीचर्स हैं. दिस इज यूज्ड एज अ हाई एंड लो डेंसिटी पॉलीमर. लो डेंसिटी पॉलीमर एंड हाई डेंसिटी पॉलीमर. लो डेंसिटी पॉलीमर, in short LDPE, is preferred plastic for squeezed bottle. Properties: easy to processing, barrier to moisture, strength, toughness, flexibility, easy to selling. And second one is high density polyethylene. It is less permeable to gas and more resistant to oil, chemicals and solvents. Properties of high density polymers: stiffness, strength, toughness, resistance to chemicals. It is widely used in bottle for solid dosage form. Polypropylene: it is a good resistance to cross cracking when flexed. Good resistance to heat sterilization. It is colorless, odorless thermoplastic materials with excellent tensile properties even at high temperature, excellent resistance to strong acid and alkalis, low permeability to water vapors, permeability to gas in intermediate between polyethylene high density, and unplasticized polyvinyl chlorides, suitable for use in colors tablet containers. Third, polyvinyl chloride PVC, versatile, easy of blending, staying toughness, resistance to grease, oil, resistance to chemicals, clarity, used as rigid packaging materials and main component of intravenous bags. Drawback: poor impact resistance, which can be improved by adding elastomers to the plastic, but it will increase its permeability. Polyvinylidene chloride. Polyvinylidene chloride, excellent barrier properties against moisture, water vapor, UV light, aroma, inorganic acid, alkalis, aqueous, salt solutions, organic waters, soluble acids, aliphatic hydrocarbons, esters of long chain fatty acid, detergents, based material, emulsifying agent and wetting agent. Good thermoform ability. PVDC is polyvinylidene chloride is very cost effective as coating weight can be customized depending on the requirement of the barrier properties. Medical grade and non-toxics, high level of transparency which improves the protection. Polystyrene, versatile in solution, clarity, easily formed, styrofoam. It is also used for jars for ointment and cream with low water contents. Drawback: chemicals like isopropyl myristate, product crazing, a fine network of surface cracking, following by weakening and eventually collapsible for the containers. Product plastic interaction. Product plastic interaction have been divided in 5 separate categories. First, permeation, leaching, sorption, chemical reaction, alteration in the physical properties of plastic or products. Constituents of plastic containers. Constituents of plastic containers: the reduced additives and processing aids that may be used and therefore possibility extract from plastic introduced. First, monomer residue, catalysts, accelerators, solvents, extenders, fillers, slip additives, anti-slip additives, anti-static agent, anti-blocking agent, releasing agent. Test for plastic container, that is called leak test. First, leak test. The plastic containers non-injectable that injectables. Fill 10 plastic containers with water and feed the closures. Keep them invented at room temperature for 24 hours. No sign of leaking should be there from any containers. And second test, water permeability test. Fill 5 containers with normal volume of water and sealed. Wet each container allowed to stand for 14 days at relative humidity of 60% at 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Reweight the container. Loss of weight in each container should not be more than 0.2%. This is the test for plastic containers. Thank you.